I get this question a lot. Is it really true? Can I nurture my leads on autopilot through my website or blog? You absolutely can. What it amounts to is you need to have the right content strategy in place, but this is something that we use all the time within the SEO and content marketing world. You want to create a strategy that breaks your website content into like 4 different pillars. So as realtors, it would be your buyers, your sellers, then your potential farm communities, and then finally, any additional information or any additional areas that you want to focus on, like luxury or lakefront, golf course, etc. You're going to create content for all 4 of those areas, and you're going to anticipate the questions that your buyers and sellers have, as well as the questions that people have about your other content. And you're going to have that on your website so that they can continue getting information. People don't want to have to talk to you. They want the website to do it for them. It's super easy.